In today's video, you will learn how to change page title on Shopify. Changing a page title inside Shopify is an important part of organizing your online store and keeping your content clear for visitors. Page titles help customers understand what each page is about, and they also make it easier for store owners to manage different sections of the website from inside the Shopify dashboard. The process is straightforward and can be completed directly from the store management area, without needing any coding experience. To begin, access your Shopify store dashboard using the account connected to your store. Once you are inside the admin area, you will see the main interface where Shopify organizes all store controls and management tools. On the left side of the dashboard, there are several navigation options, including orders, products, customers, analytics, and online store settings. From these options, locate and select the online store section. When this menu expands, you will see additional options related to your storefront, including themes, pages, navigation, and preferences. Since this tutorial focuses on changing a page title, continue by selecting the Pages section from the list. Inside the Pages area, Shopify will display all existing pages connected to your store. This may include pages such as contact information, shipping policies, about pages, or other custom content you have already created. You may also notice an option to add a new page if you want to create additional content later for your store. To change an existing page title, select the page you want to edit from the list. Once the page opens, you will see the current title displayed near the top of the editing section. This title is what visitors usually see when viewing that page on your Shopify store. Now continue by editing the title field with the updated text you want to use. You can rename the page based on the type of content you're displaying, or adjust the wording to better match your store branding and organization. After making the change, continue by selecting the Save option so Shopify can apply the updated title to the page. Once the changes are saved, return to the Pages section and you should now see the updated title displayed in the page list. This confirms that the new page title has been successfully applied to your Shopify store. And that is the complete process for changing a page title on Shopify.